Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box unboxing. Now when I ordered this, I said I'm not going to do an unboxing video this time. I'm just going to open it on my own time because the last video I filmed, I got it like 3 weeks later. Like it took almost a month to get to me, and at that point it wasn't even relevant. But I actually got this like within a week. I'm like, okay, I have to film it now. Plus I owe you guys a video anyway. So I figured why not just go ahead and open this on camera. I got the Supreme box, which I believe was $200. They also have a deluxe box that was, I think, $140. Don't quote me on that. And then they also had a premium box that was $65, I think. So I went with the biggest one, and they did ask you for your size. So I'm assuming there's some sort of merch in here. But I cannot wait to see what's inside this box, so let's just go ahead and get started. So this is what the box looks like. It's red and has some skulls on it, and it's got a decent amount of weight to it. I'm not even gonna lie. But let's go ahead and open this. But I cannot believe how fast I got this in the mail. Now I didn't think it was gonna be that quick because he also launched his Weirdo collection at the same time, so I thought the shipping would really be backed up, but it wasn't. Okay. Oh my god, that's so cool. So the first thing is this little like pamphlet, and it says Jeffree Star's skin. After years of formulation and testing, the skincare line you've always dreamed of is almost here. That's super cool to get like a little pamphlet thingy. Okay, so usually there's like tissue paper on top to like cover everything, but that is not the case. I literally see everything that's in this box, and I'm pretty excited so far. So the first thing I got, which I already knew I was going to, and I was kind of mad about, honestly, but it's the Weirdo Artistry palette. Now, don't get me wrong, I loved the concept of this, but I would never purchase this like on its own because I realistically would never use it. I would only get it to like add for like decoration, but even then I wasn't like obsessed with it. The packaging is really cool, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, it's just a palette full of black, gray, red, pink, and who knows, maybe I will create a look with this palette. It is super cool to have, but I personally wouldn't have purchased this like on its own, so it's kind of cool that I got it in the mystery box. But so yeah, that's the first thing. The next thing I see is this Magic Star concealer, and this looks like it's in the shade Lavender. So I'm assuming this is to correct like yellow in your skin. It doesn't really say. But yeah, I'm assuming this is used to like color correct yellow or like to really help brighten the skin. So that's super cool. I don't have any of the color correcting shades. I only have like my actual shade, which I think is like C3 or something, and I love that concealer, so I'm sure I will love this just as much. So that's exciting. The next thing is this Velour Lip Liner in the shade Androgyny, and I already have this. I'm almost positive. Let me check. I do already have this color, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this in my little giveaway bin for a future giveaway. Ooh, next is this automatic eyeliner, which this I never like picked up because it didn't really interest me too much. But this is in the shade Resting Rich Face. The packaging is so luxurious. I love it. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, I love the feeling of this pencil. Is like a soft matte. Oh my god, that color is so pretty and unique. I don't have anything like that in my collection. It's a cross between like a green and a brown. I really like that a lot. And it's so creamy. Okay, so I'm pretty excited about that, I'm not gonna lie. I always end up tucking my hair behind my ears at some point in these videos. Okay, now the next thing I'm pretty excited about, I do already have it, but I'm curious if this is the one that I don't have, if that makes sense. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics X Shane Dawson Mini Controversy Palette. I do have this palette, but I do know they relaunched it with the green shade in it, and I've been dying to get that, but I didn't want to buy like a whole palette. I just wanted that single shade. So if this is the palette that I think it is, I'm going to be so excited. So this is what it looks like. Oh, please have the green in it. Please have the green in it. I think it does. I think it does. Yes, it has the green in it. Oh my god, I am so excited for this. I've been wanting this green so bad, but I didn't want to buy a whole new palette because I didn't need it. Oh, now I finally have the green. I am so excited. This is probably my favorite thing so far. I'm so excited about that. Okay, next is the single shadow in the shade Poison Ivy. I don't know if I don't think I have this color in a single shadow, but I can't remember which palette this was in. That is super pretty. It's like a lime, like a darker lime green with like a little bit of like a metallic finish to it. That is so gorgeous. I don't know which palette this is from. I would assume the Blood Money palette. Add to my little single shadow collection. Okay, now this I don't think I have, and I'm so excited about it. This is the Cremated Palette, I'm assuming. Yes, it is. Oh my god, I don't have this palette. I'm so bad. I don't buy his palettes when they launch because I know I'm gonna get a mystery box and it's gonna end up in there. That's the tea, sis. That's the tea. I almost bought this palette and I said, I don't need it, I don't need it. I'll probably get it in a mystery box, and now here I am today. Okay, but the packaging on this is so pretty. I love that eye makeup. I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't have a lot of cool tones in my collection, so I don't know why I didn't just pick this up, because I genuinely like don't have any cool tones. So this will definitely come in handy, because there's just some days where I just want like a cool tone brown in the crease, or even like a gray, and I can never find it in any palettes that I already own. So I am so happy to have this. Okay, next. Ooh, it's this Magic Star Luminous Setting Powder in the shade Rose. I want to say this is like the shade that's for like fair skin tones. I'm not sure. I haven't tried his luminous setting powders. I have tried like the regular one and I absolutely love it. So I'm sure I will love this just as much. But I'm almost positive this is for like fair to light skin tones. I'm gonna look it up. Yes, it is for fair to light skin tones with pink undertones, which I feel like I don't really have like a pink undertone. I feel like I'm more on the neutral side, but I'm sure I can make this work. Like, it really doesn't look that pink. I mean, maybe it will once you put it on, but I cannot wait to try that. So now this next thing I already have, which I'm kind of bummed about, but that just means I get to put it in a giveaway for you guys. But this is the Love Me, Love Me Not Velour Liquid Lip Set, and it just comes with a bunch of red shades. It's so, so pretty. Okay, next. Ooh, we have the gloss, and this is in the shade Mouthful. I don't think I have this. I do not have this shade, so super excited to add this to my collection. I will go ahead and swatch it. It looks like a nude pink with blue reflex in it. You probably even won't be able to see it on camera. Yeah, you can't really see it on camera, but that is so pretty. Next is this Velour Lip Scrub in Witch's Brew. I love that packaging. Let's see what it smells like. Yep, that is licorice. But I'm not the type of person that hates licorice. Like, it's not a candy I would like go to the store and pick up, but I don't hate it either. Like, if someone gave me a piece of licorice, like black licorice, I would probably eat it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. So this doesn't bother me, like the smell. I know some people would be like, oh my god, that's gross, but I don't mind it. It's cool because it's like green. I kind of like that. Okay, next is this mirror, and I want to say it's from the Weirdo collection just because of the packaging, but I don't know. That is so cool. Is this from the Weirdo collection, or is this like an exclusive thing? Like a mystery box exclusive? Okay, so I'm gonna assume that this is a mystery box exclusive because I don't see it under his mirrors, and it's not part of the Weirdo collection. So this is so cool. I actually kind of like it. Okay, next, try not to look. We got a Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Cherry Wet. I do not have this shade, but it's so pretty. It's like a pink red. The best way I can explain this color is like a deep pink, like a deep red pink. It looks vibrant on camera, but it's really not that bright in person. That is so pretty. Okay, ooh, next we have a Velvet Trap lipstick in the shade Red Affair. I'm gonna assume that this is red. Okay, but this color for Christmas. So this is what it looks like. It's a super bright red, but again, for like the holidays, this color would be so pretty. Next up, we have a single shadow in the shade Molyseum, which I'm assuming is from the Cremated Palette. It's just a shimmery taupey brown. And next, it looks like a sweatshirt. Okay, so I'm going to assume that this is from the Weirdo collection because it does have the Weirdo logo that they did. However, I can't find it on his website. So I'm not 100% sure, but this is what it looks like. It just has that logo on the front. It's all black. And then just a big spider on the back. It's definitely like not my style, but kind of digging like the spider on the back. I think it's kind of cool. So that is everything that I got in my mystery box. Now, I'm not going to lie, I kind of wish the Pink Religion palette or the Pricked palette was in this mystery box, but I feel like it was too soon because they just launched. But I just have to be patient because I bet you they will be in future mystery boxes. I gotta be patient. I want those palettes so bad, so I just have to wait. But, or I could just go buy them, but who wants to do that? Now, I did just check his website and all the mystery boxes are still available. So if you are interested, I definitely recommend you pick one up, especially if you want to try the Weirdo palette. I almost dropped it. Especially if you want to try the Weirdo palette, because I do believe this comes in every single tier. I could be wrong, but I feel like I'm not wrong. I feel like this does come in every single tier. So you would get this palette plus some extra goodies, which is always nice. But yeah, if you guys picked up a mystery box, no matter what tier it is, whether it was premium, deluxe, supreme, it does not matter. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got. I'm super curious to see the different variations and also what other tiers got in their mystery boxes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!